Yes. Listen. Tell me why you wanna attack me when I'm sleeping. It's such a shame for you to be so unfair. You are weak and your presence is over there. That's why your life is always in despair. Grant me faith to fill my soul, so the devil would never take control. Yes, and let me walk with the fire, the eternal flame that keeps us warm when we cold. Listen. Tell me why you shot my pain when I have worked for you so hard. Such a shame for you to draw those kinds of cards. Yeah. You are cruel and your thoughts are overwhelming. Turn your eyes in the direction of the Lord. Hey, and grant me faith to fill my soul, and so the devil will never, ever, ever, ever take control. Oh no, yes, and let me walk with the fire, the eternal flame that keeps us warm. Let me walk with the fire, oh Lord God. Good God have mercy, yeah. Listen, tell me why you shot my pain when I have worked for you so hard. Such a shame for you to draw those kinds of cards. Yeah. You are cruel and your thoughts are overwhelming. Turn your eyes in the direction of the Lord. Hey, and grant me faith to fill my soul. Say that so the devil will never, ever, ever, ever take control. Oh no, yes, and let me walk with the fire, the eternal flame that keeps us warm when we're cold. Yes, and grant me faith to fill my soul. Say that so the devil will never, ever, ever, ever take control. Oh no.